This is the video for reseller types on ASTPP. This is the ASTPP portal. This is the admin portal. From accounts from resellers, we can create a resellers account. So there are two types of resellers on ASTPP. One is margin based reseller, and another one is commission based reseller. So let me explain you what is the difference, how it is margin based or how it is commission based. So while we are creating the reseller, if we select is distributor yes, then it will be margin based reseller, and if we select no, then the reseller will be commission based. So this is how we can define by selecting yes no on the option is distributor. So I will explain you what is the difference between margin based and commission based reseller. So by default, both types of reseller have the same features access, which means they are able to manage their own customers, resellers, tariff plans, products, etc., except package and subscription products. So that means the difference is one only, that is package and subscription product ownership. So while a commission based reseller sells product on the admin behalf as per the admin defined commission on the product, whereas margin based reseller take ownership of the product and they can add their own profit margin, they can add their own profit margin and sell to their own customers. So let me create two accounts here, two reseller account here, and let me explain about it how it can be differ. So I have created here two reseller account. One is margin based and another one is commission based. So margin based reseller, I have select is distributor yes, and for commission base is distributor is no. So whatever products as a admin I have created, so let me go in first the margin based reseller account from my admin account, and let me go to the product from the reseller account. If the reseller wants to sell the admin product, then first he has to opt in the product by selecting here the parent product, and here from the opt-in option he can have the all the information here. And as a margin based reseller, as it is a distributor, so they can decide their own setup fee and price for their customers, and they can make it safe. Now let me show what is the difference in commission based reseller. As I mentioned that commission based reseller can sell the product on behalf of admin, they can't decide their own price for the product. So now I am in commission based reseller account. In service products, I need to select the parent product, and then I can opt in the product as a commission based reseller. But here I can't make any change, I just have to opt in the product directly. So only as a commission based reseller, I can just sell the product as per the commission decided by my admin account. This is the difference between margin based reseller and commission based reseller, and these are the two reseller types on ASTPP.